this series of matting powders for ink printing coatings, with advanced manufacturing processes, exhibits many excellent characteristics. It has a large pore volume, is not only extremely easy to disperse, but also has high adsorption capacity, accurately restoring colors. This greatly shortens the time for adjusting the dullness during operation, improving work efficiency. The product has a narrower particle size distribution, resulting in extremely high matting efficiency. Through a special surface, active medium coating modification process, the friction coefficient of the coating surface is reduced, and the anti-sticking effect is significantly enhanced. This matting powder is widely used in the fields of inkjet printing consumables, such as digital inkjet photo paper, matte photo paper, hide gloss photo paper, waterproof white canvas, and light box film. Models IOTA FINE SIL 516, IOTA FINE SIL 300B, and IOTA FINE SIL DC 300 performed outstandingly in the market. IOTA FINE SIL 516 has a particle size of 3.0 to 4.0. Silica content after ignition is greater than or equal to 98%. DBP oil absorption value of 2.4 to 2.5 cc per gram, etc. IOTA FINE SIL 300B has a particle size of 3.2 to 4.2 with equally excellent indicators. IOTA FINE SIL DC 300 with special surface treatment has more advantages in performance, providing strong support for the quality improvement of inkjet printing consumables.